How to add password protected page in Wix Studio. In order to do that, head over right here into our pages icon into our left sidebar. Now from in there, just choose in here the page that you want to add the password. For example, let's add a password into our actual blog post. So just click onto this blog pages, click onto these three dots, click onto this settings option, and then it should be able to open this. Go over right here into the permissions page, and we have in here the everyone, password holders, as well as members only. For this case, let's choose in here password holders, and then input right here the site's or the page password. I'll just put in here 12345. And then once you have done that, it should be able to give this particular password, and you will only be able, or visitors will only be able to visit this particular page if they have the page's password. So that's how you add password protected page in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.